What's the meaning of bream? Bream. Bream.
Bream. Bream. Bream is a type of freshwater or saltwater fish that belongs to the family Sparidae. Depending on the species, bream can range in size from small to relatively large, with some species growing up to 3 feet in length and weighing up to 20 pounds. They are typically found in shallow or moderately deep waters and feed on a variety of small invertebrates, crustaceans, and fish. Bream are popular among anglers due to their abundance and fighting ability. They are also commercially important and widely consumed in various cuisines around the world.